Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 4 apps you should install on your Oppo Find X5 Pro. So let's open the first app, and it's gonna be Ampere. And this app is all about your battery. So here you can find a lot of information about your battery that you can't find anywhere else. So here, as you can see, it's not charging status because I don't have it charging. There's a percentage of level how much it's charged, its technology, its temperature, which this setting you can't find it anywhere else. Its manufacturer, Android version, on battery plugged, good health, 5000 milliampere hours, and 3.908 voltage. So there's a lot of information, and I really recommend having it and checking it out from time to time to see what temperature or health it has. Now let's move to other app, and it's gonna be background eraser. And from here let's take the picture, because we need to go to our camera, and we'll need to make any picture, and then we'll be able to erase the background. So here I've made a few pictures. I'm just gonna go for background eraser, load, OK. From here go to photos, agree and continue, pick the photo that I want to erase, crop as much as possible from the picture, press done. And from here we can do the manual eraser, and you can simply just erase any part of the picture you want. You can also do auto, and then that way it's gonna do the auto erasing like that. And after some time your photo will have erased background. You can press done and then use it as a stamp or just put it anywhere. That's pretty handy because it doesn't take a lot of time to actually erase the background. Now next app is Notify Body, and here I just downloaded, so I will need to set up the entire app first, and first we'll need to grant all the permissions. We showed that in our other video, so you can check it out if you want to use this app. We don't need to disable that, and that app is pretty fun to have because you can customize notifications for your phone. And if we enable it right here, anything that we want to get notifications from, we can see them in the active, and go to settings. We can customize our LED, and for example our phone is locked and we get notifications from Facebook right now. We'll get this cool LED notification right here when it's locked. And that's it for this app. Let's move to battery sound notification app, and this app allows you to customize notifications for your battery. So for example, if you want to have the noise or custom notifications when your battery is full, you can do it right here. Pick the file, pick the audio file or simple ringtone. So for example, ripples, and go back, save. And now when we charge our phone to 100% battery, we'll get this sound, and it will let us know that our phone is charged, and we can unplug the charging. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.